Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Memset function in C++. Let's go to our computer. I have here a little program written in C++ that uses our Memset function, which is here. Now Memset is short for memory set, which will basically take an array of memory that you have allocated, and it will set a certain number of bytes to a given byte that you give to it. So in my program here, I include IOStream, which will give me the cout object that lets me print to the screen, and memset is a part of string.h, so I include that there. Now the very first thing that I do is I create a string, and I basically assign to it the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, just so I can have some data in my string. The next thing that I do is I take my string right here, and I run the memset function on it, giving the array string1 as an input, and the byte, which is actually shown here as a character, of an uppercase X. Now, C++ is going to translate that X to a byte value, which will be the ASCII value of X, and I tell it to set 3 bytes worth of data. So I memset my array, what I want to put inside that array, and the number of bytes that I want to set. And then I print out the string after the data has been set. Now what I should get is this exact string up here, but the first 3 characters of it should be an X instead. Let's compile our program. And then I'm going to run the output of that program. And as you can see, I have 3 X's and then the rest of that string. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to use the memset function in C++.